Bro, today the market gave a move that looked clean, strong, and convincing. But trust me, there's a twist. Nifty opened with weakness, dipped early and then suddenly staged a sharp recovery, closing nearly 140 points higher. But here's the real suspense. Was this a genuine trend reversal or just a beautifully crafted fake rally that might trap traders tomorrow? Because the signals underneath the surface are telling a very different story. Welcome back to Wealth Maama, where we break down the market with logic, structure, and clarity, so your trading decisions stay smarter than the market noise. If you're new here, hit subscribe, because this is the community built for serious traders. Nifty closed at 25,898, gaining 140 points, plus 0.55%, showing a strong comeback after yesterday's weakness. The index opened at 25,771, slipped to 25,693. And just when it looked like the market might continue downwards, buyers stepped in and changed the entire direction. From late morning onwards, Nifty built a clean series of higher highs and higher lows, a sign of controlled buying rather than emotional short covering. Market breadth supported this view. 39 stocks advanced and only 11 declined, giving today's rally a solid base. Why the market moved today? Today's recovery happened because both global and domestic conditions aligned perfectly. Global support. There was no major pressure from global markets. US futures were steady, Asian markets traded calmly, and crude oil softened just enough to help inflation-sensitive sectors. When global cues don't threaten India, intraday buying becomes easier. Domestic setup improved. FIIs, who have been relentlessly selling for the last few sessions, slowed down today. DII stepped up during the first dip, adding strong bid-side support. Banks, metals, and autos picked up momentum, pulling the index along with them. Volatility dropped. India VIX cooling to 10.53 signaled reduced fear and increased stability. A falling VIX on a rising market is usually a positive combination. But extremely low VIX also means the market can be caught off guard by sudden volatility. So overall, today's bounce had genuine strength. But whether it has continuation is what we'll track tomorrow. Sector-wise performance. Today's sector performance revealed the true drivers behind Nifty's recovery. Strong sectors. Metals rallied on global stability and short covering. Financials, especially private banks, led the market from the front. Autos carried forward their recent momentum with steady buying. Pharma and healthcare offered defensive strength that supported the rally. This kind of cross-sector participation usually strengthens a recovery. Weak pockets. Pain struggled due to crude-linked margin worries. Insurance cooled down after strong previous sessions. Telecoms saw mild profit booking. Overall, it was a broad-based positive day. Bro, before we move into gainers and losers, if you truly want to improve your results in trading, you must check out the Trading Psychology playlist on the channel. It teaches you how to avoid revenge trading, handle fear, control impulses, and improve decision-making, the real skills most traders ignore. The playlist link is right above. Don't miss it. Top gainers of the day. Adani Enterprises, plus 2.65%. The stock saw solid buying interest after multiple sessions of sideways movement. Investor confidence improved as selling pressure eased in high beta names. The intraday volume trends clearly indicated accumulation. Zero Financial, plus 2.63%. Sustained buying came through as the market anticipates new lending and digital finance products. Strong volumes showed that institutional participation may be picking up. The stock has been building a short-term base, which added momentum today. Tata Steel, plus 2.57%. Tata Steel gained as global commodity prices found stability. Short covering and improving sentiment across metals supported the move. The stock remained one of the strongest performers in the metal segment. Eternal, plus 2.38%. The stock jumped as traders responded to a clean breakout structure. High volatility accompanied by strong volume indicated conviction buying. Eternal benefited from rotational interest in high momentum names. Kotak Bank, plus 2.06%. Kotak Bank saw a strong recovery as the banking sector regained strength. Reduced FII selling helped private banks breathe easier. The stock displayed steady, controlled upward movement throughout the day. Top losers of the day. Asian Paints, minus 1%. Asian Paints continues facing pressure due to uncertainty around crude-related costs. The stock saw profit booking after showing attempts to recover recently. Sentiment in the paints segment remains cautious. SBI Life, minus 0.86%. A small pullback after a strong run in the past few sessions. The weakness was mild and largely technical in nature. No major negative news affected the stock today. Bharti Airtel, minus 0.63%. Airtel slipped slightly as traders booked profits after a strong multi-week rally. Telecom lacked fresh triggers today, leading to softer movement. The stock remains structurally strong despite the dip. Power Grid, minus 0.28%. Power Grid traded flat with a slight negative bias. Lack of clear sector triggers kept the stock range-bound. It remained stable throughout the session. ONGC, minus 0.22%. ONGC showed mild weakness as crude prices stabilized instead of trending up. The stock did not attract strong buying interest today. Its intraday moves remained narrow and controlled. India VIX slipped to 10.53, indicating reduced fear and higher confidence. But traders should always be careful. A very low VIX makes markets comfortable, and comfortable markets become vulnerable when unexpected news hits. So while today's VIX trend supports bullishness, traders must stay alert. Support and resistance levels. Support 1, 25,750. A reliable intraday support level where buyers stepped in multiple times. If Nifty holds above this, bullish sentiment continues. Support 2, 25,600. A deeper demand zone where strong buy orders have appeared in recent sessions. Resistance 1, 25,980. Nifty attempted to cross 25,930 today but failed to sustain. This indicates clear selling pressure at this zone. Resistance 2, 26,060. A breakout above this level can trigger a fast move toward 26,200. Tomorrow's market is going to be decisive. If Nifty breaks above 25,980, the market may attempt a trend continuation toward the 26,000 plus zone. But if Nifty gets rejected at this level again, then today's recovery could quickly lose momentum. And we might revisit 25,750 or even 25,600. The market is standing at a tight inflection point. One strong breakout can extend the rally. But one rejection can expose today's bounce as a fake reversal. Tomorrow's opening hour will reveal the truth. That wraps up today's Nifty analysis, bro. If you want to improve your mindset and trading decisions, don't forget to check out the psychology playlist. It's helping so many traders build consistency. See you tomorrow with another deep market breakdown. Trade safe, stay disciplined, and keep growing with Wealth Mama.